Hello everybody, my name is the Gaming Zombie, and in today's unboxing we are going to be opening up the Hcman eSport RGB mousepad. So this has a couple of features including colorful RGB, touch control, 4 light effects, and accurate position. Also, this has an interesting feature. It is waterproof, so if I was to spill a drink on my mousepad, it would be completely fine. I don't know why my box kind of looks like it's been tampered with or something, but we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. So as you can see, we're presented by this enormous mousepad. This thing is very big. Let's see. You guys can see right here. It's very, very thin too. So I kind of like that too. I like the design, the sleek design. It does look pretty comfortable. So let's plug this bad boy in. Although only $25 on Amazon, this has a lot of pack to punch. So we can just click this button and we'll start changing colors. So you can see it started switching colors. So now we're gonna press this button and it turns red. That's awesome. Press it again, turns pink. Press it again, turns blue. Then cyan. Then it turns green, yellow. And this looks like the RGB feature, I believe. So that's pretty cool. I love that a lot. This is what it will look like, as you can see. So this is the RGB gaming mouse pad. It's a hard mouse pad, and I'll just be using my mouse on there and it will just look like that, guys, and that looks pretty damn awesome. Like, instead of spending $50 on the Firefly or for the one offered by Corsair, I believe this has a way better alternative price tag for it, and therefore I do give this thing an 8 out of 10. Mostly because of how badly the package is that I got, but I guess that could be different. But this is just my review in general. So I love this thing to death. It looks awesome. Like, I can't wait to put it on my gaming setup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. My name is the Gaming Zombie, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.